Hey everyone, Josh Smith with Gotta Be Mobile. I'm checking out a cool new projector that came out late last year, and you can buy this right now. It's the Optoma UHL55, and it's $15.99. And with this, you get a 4K with this, you get a 4K Ultra HD, 1500 lumens. You get support for all the cool smart features that we've seen on their line. So you got Amazon Alexa, Google Actions, and if this, then that. And what's great about this is it's LED, so you can buy it. You don't have to worry about replacing bulbs down the line or anything like that. It's Hgr compatible, and one of the really cool things about this is it's designed to be something that you could take from place to place or take from room to room. So you're going to be able to just pick it up and move it wherever you need to. You can also do a traditional mount, but it adds in some flexibility, which is great if you're trying to get one device that gives you that really big screen, and maybe most of the time it lives down in the kids' room, in the game room, or the media room, and maybe you want to bring it up into a different room, whether you're having some people over and you want to show something off, or the kids having a sleepover and you need to take it into a different room. A lot of that flexibility is really nice to have. There's also a built-in speaker. The remote is Bluetooth, so you don't have to figure out where you're pointing it to get it to control. And all in all, a really cool, really compact projector with a nice image quality. Leave us a comment and let us know what you're looking for in your home theater for 2019. And subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.